Hello everybody, welcome to Me Paintings. I'm Veronica and you might think I went completely crazy. Why am I showing you this mess? Well, I just finished the pour and I wanted to show you what I usually do after I finish pour. I made this bubble swipe. I will put the link down in the description box for you if you want to see the previous process. And now these leftover colors are here. I've got this spade and I'm gonna scrape them and put them in my cup because I don't like wasting colors because they are expensive and I don't like wasting at all, so I will scrape them. So here they are, and I will try to pour them on my canvas again. I've got my canvas here, which is size, I think 20 times 20 centimeters. I also have got this leftover white here, so let's pour this white in the middle. There's not a lot left, but let's pour it in the middle. Yeah, I don't like wasting, as I said. Make this round circle. And let's pour these leftovers on my canvas. Look at that. Beautiful soft pastel colors. Now time to move them everywhere. Wow, that's beautiful. I love this. Look at the pattern. Well, these were just leftover colors, and look at that, it created beautiful, like amethyst painting. Beautiful. I'm using this cheap heat gun from Lidl, but it works well. It was around 10 euros. Actually, you know what? I will try to use heat gun on the middle part as well. And now I can use my balloon to create beautiful flowers. Let's see how that works. One in the middle. Oh, that will be nice. And many more. That's enough. That will be perfect for my future project. Look at these soft, beautiful flowers. So now I'm gonna get these dry for at least 3-4 days, and then I'm gonna show you what to do next. My pour is dry now, and look at these cells. They turned out absolutely amazing. I think this will be perfect for my embellishment. I would like to turn this into 3D art, and for that I will paint my favorite bubbles, and I would also like to create these borders which will add even more 3 dimension to my painting. And I start by drawing these circles with my whiteboard marker, and the reason why I used whiteboard marker is that if I make a mistake I can easily wipe it out, and I will cover this with black acrylic color, so it just helps me to see where my circles will be. And for my circles I use these plastic cups, big ones, small ones. I also have got this stencil. You can use whatever you like and you can improvise. So this looks like a good spot. That's my first bubble, and then some of them will be underneath, but firstly I will draw these top bubbles and then the bottom ones. Now I'm gonna use my masking tape because I would like to create these borders, and some of the bubbles will be on the top and some of them will be underneath. So I will put this tape here and then I will continue painting some of my bubbles, drawing them, because they will be hidden under my border. So now I can draw some bubbles which will be underneath my border. Maybe here. So I'm gonna start with circles which will be hidden underneath my borders. So this one, this one, this one, and part of this one. And for that I'll just use my Mars black. I put a little bit here, and I'm gonna use my blending brush. This is size 9. I put my brush in a little bit of water and then put my black on my brush, and I just try to make nice shades around these circles. Then I put my brush back in the water again and I'll just blend it nicely. It creates that 3D effect which I want on my bubbles. And now I'm going to fill all these spaces with my black color, and it's okay if some parts will be lighter, some parts will be darker. You just have to be careful around these edges. I will start with these edges because I want to have a nice shade here. So I put a little bit of black on my brush and then tap it and then go like this, because you want a nice shadow here. Like this. maybe take a little bit off, it's too much here. So I put my brush in water and just take off some black. Like that. I know it looks weird, but it will add that 3D effect into my painting. So now I will go all over, I will fill all these spaces with black. And now it's time to paint my bubbles. I can take off these tapes. So these bubbles already looks nice, like they are hiding inside of this beautiful box full of bubbles. So now I can start painting my top bubbles, and for that again I'll use my black acrylic color and my blending brush. So I put my brush in water, then tap it on my paper towel and put a little bit of that black color on my brush and go over my circle like this. I might do the top in the beginning. Well, let's do the bottom like this as well. But I'm going to blend that black color. It's a pour, so it behaves a little bit differently than if it was just acrylic painting. So the blending is a little bit more tricky, but once you figure it out, you'll be able to create beautiful 3D bubbles. Or I don't know how to call them. They are not bubbles, but I don't have any good name for them, so see, so that already looks kind of 3D. Now I'm gonna do the bottom bubble, and then I will also work on the reflections on my bubbles. So and now I'm going to paint some reflection on the top of my bubble or sphere. I don't know how to call it. I call it bubble. So for that I'm gonna use my white acrylic marker Posca, which I buy in local art shop. I'm sure you can order loads of acrylic pens online. Like a little reflection here. dot and like that. Now I'm going to finish all of them and show you the finished result. And this is the result of my 3D balloon acrylic pour. I just love to embellish my acrylic pours with these 3D shapes because it looks so cool, and I would like to dive inside of these amazing bubbles. I hope you enjoyed my special tutorial. I hope it was inspirational for you, and if you liked it, please give a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. You can also join my Facebook group, which is called Create With Me, and show us your beautiful art. It's a really beautiful day today. We had loads of snow, and I also would like to wish you an amazing, inspirational day. Thank you for watching my videos and for all your positivity. You are amazing. See you soon. Bye.